just very easy, right? And sometimes there are yes or no questions. So do not just give an answer like yes or no. Okay, you should try to expand your answers. Okay, so at least 3 sentences. Now, how to expand your answers? We have here the technique. Okay, look at the topic bank exercise. Can you see a table?
Yes, I can.
That's right. So we have the first column is the category. The second column is
Simple answer.
very good, sample answer. And the third column is
My answer.
yes, that's right, your answer, definitely.
Yes.
So for the category, all right, for example, the category is hometown. And the first question is, where is your hometown? Okay?
Okay.
Now here in the sample answer these questions, all right? This is actually a technique on how to take down notes. Okay?
Okay.
In this part. So our topic, describe something you own which is very important to you. All right? So can you give me a thing? A thing that you own that is very important.
You own.
Yes, you own. You possess. Possession. For example, I own a notebook. This is my notebook.
Yes.
Right? Yes. So something you own that is very important to you.
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me a name of a thing? Is it a book? Or let's say, is it a guitar? Or is it a ball? Laptop?
A ring.
I'm sorry?
A ring.
Ring.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
you can write it down here. So, ring. And where you got it? Did you buy it? Did someone give it to you as a...
My girlfriend buy it to me.
From a friend.
Brought to me.
From a friend. Was it a gift? Birthday gift?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
From
it's
a
gift.
friend on my birthday. Okay? And how long you've had it? How long? Like from
About 3 years.
okay, about 3 years. And use. My name is Chinkai. May I know your full name, please?
Adam.
Is that your English name?
Yes, my English name.
Okay. So, right. Can I see your identification, please?
I'm a student, and I live in China.
Okay. Can I see your identification card? Your ID for checking purposes.
ID.
Yes, that's right.
What should I do? I'll show you the ID.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
ID.
Thank you. There's no problem. So, let's talk about your hometown or village. What kind of place is it?
It's a big city, and I think it's the biggest city in China.
Mm-hmm.
And my hometown is in the east of China, near the sea.
Mm-hmm.
And there's too many people in my hometown, and it's about more than 20 million people in my hometown.
What's the most interesting part of your town or village?
The weather. I think it's the weather, because
to your recorded audio. Okay? Yeah, I want you to listen carefully and take note of your mistakes or your weakness in that part. Alright? So, wait.
Adam.
Is that your English name?
Yes, my English name.
Okay. So, right, can I see your identification, please?
I'm a student and I live in China.
Okay. Can I see your identification card? Your ID for checking purposes.
ID?
So, yes, that's right. Adam? Okay, that was your performance. What do you think about it?
Think it really like a robot.
Yes, exactly. Right? So, there are times that you have a lot of pauses. Right? So, try to avoid that one. Okay?
Okay.
And also, other good thing is that you were actually trying to, you were actually was able to answer the questions, but there are times that the topic or your answer was a little bit far, right? Most of the questions you were able to answer them, but there were some, I think that there were 2 questions that the question or the answer didn't actually hit the question. Yes, so you actually lagged there. And, alright, as for, I made some corrections in your sentences. Okay. Yeah. When the examiner starts, like for example, good evening. Yeah, I will just give the score, alright? And actually, we are trying to use here a criteria for giving that score, alright? Yes. However, I wouldn't say that the real examiners would actually use them, right? But it's somehow still related because we have the different here, the fluency and coherence, lexical resource, the grammatical range, and also for pronunciation. Yeah, so we actually use this in giving that score. All right. So in my assessment, you would actually get. Okay. Yes, that would actually be a band score of. Okay, that's actually 4.5. Okay, so we have here for the fluency and coherence, you got 4. Okay, because you actually use, I mean, there are times that you have some pauses, long pauses. Okay, yes, and you used, so you actually, most of your sentences are very simple. Yes, so try to use complex sentences as well. Alright, and as for the lexical resource, or let's say the vocabulary, okay, I actually give you here lexical resource. Can you see it? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, I gave you here. It's more of 5. Yeah. Although you can use some words, although it's not very advanced, right? Yes, but you were actually able to use the vocabularies as to how they should be used in your sentences. Okay? But for your grammatical range,